deep groove ball bearing has several features. First, it supports small and medium loads, and it can do so because balls have less support area to offer. Second, it supports both radial and moderate thrust load in both directions. Let us understand how it does so. Both inner and outer races of a deep groove ball bearing can have relative movement axially in either direction by the amount of axial clearance. This creates a nominal contact angle, which is responsible for this bearing to take moderate thrust load with radial loads. Axial load carrying capacity of deep groove ball bearings depend on internal clearance. Third, it is suitable for high-speed application. Due to low centrifugal stress because of smaller weight of balls and low operating temperature due to low coefficient of friction, these bearings can run at high speeds. Fourth, it has high running accuracy because it can be manufactured with high precision.